Mr. Miller, go
Thank
for
you,
it.
Mr. Chairman. I have to go down to the National Mall and remove some barricades. Thank you to the Chairman and members of the subcommittee for allowing me to speak on my bill 2954 to authorize Escambia County, Mr. Chairman, to convey certain property that was on Santa Rosa Island that has been leased to individuals that have been living on the island. In 1947, the U.S. government, pursuant to congressional action taken during the 79th Congress, removed Santa Rosa National Monument from the jurisdiction of the National Park Service and deeded the land located on Santa Rosa Island to Escambia County, Florida. Under the terms of the law, the Escambia County was given the authority to transfer property on Santa Rosa Island with the caveat that they could not issue title to the property. Rather, the county could only lease the land or return it to the federal government. Shortly after Escambia took custody of the island, they began offering to lease the property to businesses and homeowners who would pay a lease fee but would not be charged property taxes. In the years since this land was given to Escambia County, Santa Rosa Island has grown from an undeveloped barrier island into a bustling community with thousands of residents, businesses contributing millions of dollars to the local community, and tourists from across the United States and around the world traveling to vacation on the island's pristine white sand beaches. Mr. Chairman, this is a fairness issue. These significant developments on Santa Rosa Island necessitate a change in the original agreement between federal government and Escambia County, and that's why the Board of County Commissioners of both Escambia County and Santa Rosa County passed resolutions asking me to introduce this bill that would allow the current Santa Rosa Island leaseholders the option of attaining fee simple title while protecting public access to the beaches and conservation areas on the island. H.R. 2954 is a simple solution that will allow current leaseholders the option of attaining fee simple title to their property if they so choose to do. Additionally, the bill would help ease management of the island by conveying land that currently falls in the jurisdictional boundaries of Santa Rosa County but is owned by Escambia County to Santa Rosa County. It is also vital to the many stakeholders in the current community that current agreements governing conservation, preservation, and public access or recreation on Santa Rosa Island are maintained, and that is why my legislation codifies these agreements into law in accordance with all resolutions that have been adopted by the county commission governments. This meets all the other criteria set forth to me by the Board of County Commissioners of Escambia and Santa Rosa counties, and it will help to ensure that individuals and businesses currently living and working on Santa Rosa Island have the choice to attain title to their land while also upholding current conservation easements and public access to the island beaches. In closing, I want to add that my bill in no way affects the right to public beach access, nor does it in any way change the boundaries of the Gulf Islands National Seashore, nor negatively impact the mission of the National Park Service at the National Park. Mr. Chairman, thank you for allowing me to testify this morning at this legislative hearing on H.R. 2954 and speaking before this subcommittee. I yield back.
Thank you, Mr.